Julie, when it's red, it's when this thing is filming, ain't it?
I don't have no idea.
Ain't yours just like it?
I ain't used to.
Oh. Well, I hope this is what it is.
As long as you seeing something in there, are you seeing us in the...
Yeah.
Can you see that? Can you?
Daddy, I'm gonna get up there, right?
Hey, now he's gonna go straight up, Cody. You better hurry up now. Julie, walk on down.
You see Buddy?
You want me to run him up there?
Yeah, I see Buddy. Well, right there, Cody. Don't you gonna get hit behind the truck.
Look there.
That gun
Sorry.
shit. Oh.
That's fine, crazy.
Bring him in, buddy. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. Look dead. Look dead. Bring him in. Look dead. Look dead.
Damn, somebody won't fly one
Bring
day.
him in now. Bring him in.
Dead, buddy.
Bring him in.
Let him bring him up to Julie.
Cody, get back here and make him bring him up here.
Right here, bud. Here. Here, bud.
Bring him in now. Bring him in.
Come on.
Bring him in.
Here, bud. Here.
Bring him in. Y'all up there and he ain't never gonna bring him.
Come on, bud. Here.
Bring him in now. Bring him in.
Can't get a hold of it.
Attaboy, bring him in. Bring that bird in now.
He's still alive.
Attaboy, bring him in. Good boy. Bring him. Bring that bird on in here.
Here, buddy.
Buddy, bring that bird on in here. Now, come on here. Come on.
Just let him go, cuz.
Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him. Come here. Come here. Come on.
Hit him by the feet,
Myself,
Julie.
he been up and flogged me. Good boy.
Good boy. Got them on
Let me
thing.
feel it.
What in the world?
Daddy,
Heck you.
here, let me feel it.